Hi there, this video is just a continuation from video 190 where I just talked about housekeeping with tags. So I've still got all the same script and code here. I'm just going to run the set my workspace there to home. And one thing I mentioned was this idea of search and replace on tags. So I thought actually I'd just show that actually happening. So when I run the script that I've put in the description of this of the video 190, the one before, I get all kinds of stuff coming up. And so what I thought was, I've got this one here, Lex, short for Leicester, and I think, oh, that's a bit rubbish. So let's change that to something more sort of useful. And actually in the last video as well, I did show you about how to search for a tag. So if I run that again, you'll see it's this Lex pub one. If we go to the actual page here, the content item, you can see there indeed is tags. Actually, it's got a few demo test as well as Lex, which I don't like. What I'd like to do is change it to local, so I can kind of just track down anything that I deem as local, that I consider as local. So, and this is the script here to do it. So what's the old tag you're looking for? What's the new tag you want to replace it with? Get all the items where the query is for where the tags is equal to the old tags. Again, I've got this max items kind of ceiling. Format when you've printed the number of items, that's what len does. It's length, so that sort of counts as a kind of string length as well as items length, you know, in a list. So that's what len does. Items with the tag, and then just list old tag, and then I loop through and say, look, if in items with old tag, if in there, look for each item, and if you find the old tag, i.e. Lex, within it, then run this store this updated tags with the new tag setting. So you know, if it is old, otherwise just keep the tag, and then good old item update, setting of properties. So you got a little construct here in the curly brackets, setting tags property to updated tags, and updated tags is going to be new tag if you find the old one, and then I just print the results. So let's just run it. Let's run. Found one item with the tag Lex, updated, and now it says demo test and local. Let's go back to here. Let's just refresh on here. And in tags down here, you should see local. There you go, demo, test, and local. So tags, search and replace. You can use it with other item, other sort of item properties as well. Anyway, I hope you find that useful. Thank you.